Welcome to your Navigate to Preferred course and your first day of class. In this lesson, we will show you how to access the valuable student resources that enhance your learning and better prepare you for either state or national exams. Research shows students that use the online resources in your course outperform students that don't by 20%. If your educator is using Navigate to as a required element in their course, they will have a course ID which is unique to their course. Please contact your educator for their course ID. If your educator is not using Navigate to as a required element in their course, you can still access the student resources by redeeming the access code found within your textbook. If you don't have an access code, or if you did not purchase the printed textbook, you can purchase the access code for the digital resources at www.jblearning.com. If your instructor is requiring online access, it is important you purchase the correct level of access. It is recommended you ask your educator for the correct ISBN to purchase. The ISBN is a 13-digit numeric identifier for the correct product or edition. If you purchase the digital access from Jones & Bartlett Learning, it is not necessary to redeem an access code. The digital access will automatically populate in your course. If you have an access code in your textbook, redeem the access code from www.jblearning.com/myaccount. If you have an existing account, you can log into your account and then redeem an access code. If you don't have an account, you can create one by selecting Don't Have an Account. Once you have logged into your account, it is important you adjust your profile to the correct time zone. Failure to set up your time zone correctly could result in missing due dates for assignments or assessments. To adjust your time zone, in the top right corner of the course, select My Profile, then select Edit Profile. Scroll down to the Time Zone field and select your appropriate time zone. Scroll to the bottom of the page and save the changes. Now that you have gained access to your course, you can get started by exploring the various resources in your course. Navigate to is mobile ready and will respond and resize the resources depending on the device you are using. You will find many student resources designed to complement the textbook used in your course. Most courses have similar resources and offer the foundation necessary to begin preparing for your course. These similar resources may include slides, lecture outlines, flashcards, and an e-book. Your course may also include premium content designed to prepare you for licensure exams. To access the assets, select one of the placards to expand the list of items. Select any of the items in the list. Some items may download locally to your computer or display in the web browser. The ebook again is also mobile ready. When you access the ebook from your course for the first time, it will prompt you to download the free Navigate to e-reader app, either from iTunes or the Google Play Store. After you open your ebook, you will notice editing tools on the right side. Under Create, you can add notes, audio notes, and web links. Under View, you can adjust your ebook size to your preference. Under Draw, you can annotate your ebook. At the bottom of the ebook, you will find additional icons that can unlock additional ebook enrichments, as well as additional study features. The Table of Contents icon will display a table of contents and the ability to jump to other chapters, sections, or topics. The glossary icon will display a list of all glossary items in the text as well as their corresponding definitions. The media resource icon will display and organize all of the additional media resources or enrichments. These media resources may include videos, audio, clips, animations, related documents, assessments, web links, and page links. In addition, on the My Stuff tab, you will find all of your saved annotations. Assessments may include graded and non-graded activities. Each chapter will include knowledge check questions, which are non-graded and designed to help reaffirm subjects or topics previously reviewed. Each chapter also contains a graded ebook quiz, which may or may not be required by your educator in your course. Ebook quizzes are limited to 2 attempts per quiz. Other assessments which may be useful in your course are flashcards and in some cases the audiobook. The flashcards are specifically aligned to the glossary for each chapter of your text. In some cases, audiobooks are available in each chapter which align to your textbook. These audiobooks can be listened to from the web browser or can be downloaded to an MP3 player for offline listening. If your educator has created assessments for you to complete at home, you can access these assessments in the placard designated by your educator. Based on the security settings set by your educator, you may be limited to a date or time constraint. Once you have completed your assessment, it will post a grade to the gradebook, as well as providing your educator with additional detailed reports and logs to further assist you in retaining your information. You can also access your grade and view your progress in your course by selecting the Reports and Grades tab, then choosing JBL User Reports. You will be able to see the grades posting after you have completed assigned activities. Please keep in mind your educator may decide to limit which grades will post to the gradebook. Test Prep is another valuable tool to help you prepare for both state and national exams. Studies show students that use Test Prep on average score 14 points higher than the national averages. Test Prep is a non-graded assessment type, but may be required by your educator. It offers an unlimited amount of attempts to both practice mode and final assessment mode. Test Prep is mobile ready and can be accessed by selecting the Test Prep placard and then choosing Test Prep in the placard. Once you have completed a Test Prep attempt, you may review your results from the menu options. This concludes today's lesson. If you have any questions, please contact us and let us know how we can help.